for our lesson. So today we're going to take the last lesson, Model 1, okay, which is solving other type of equations. We already know this, but we'll just go through all of them. So we have the literal, equation, radical, polynomial, rational, okay? So we have all of this. So yesterday we took or not yesterday, last week, we studied the quadratic equation, and now we are going to continue other type of equations. So first, let's start here with literal equation. Solve ax plus b equals c for x. Easy one. Okay? Sorry? 3? Yeah. So let's solve this one. So it will be, yes, x plus b equals c. So minus b for both sides. Okay? Ax equal c minus b, then divide by a. Then x is equal, divide by a, c minus b over a. Okay? Then you substitute the numbers, and we know this is a, this is b, this is c. Okay? So it will be 11 minus 5 over 2, right? So the answer is 3. Okay? Okay, let's continue. Now we have here another example when we have a minus bx, same thing, but here just different equation. So we need to solve for x. So minus, or let's say minus bx, right? So we can have, yes, so, yeah, sorry, positive. Okay, positive. Okay, so it will be a equals c plus bx, then minus c minus c. So it will be a minus c equal bx. So over b over b. So x is equal a minus c over b, right? Right? Okay, so a 12, c negative 3, b is negative 5, right? So now 12 minus, so this one it will be 15 over negative 5. So the answer is negative 3, right? Malak, what's wrong? Lot of things. No, it's not a lot of. Okay, so this is the literal equation. Literal equation is just giving you the equation, okay, and ask you to solve for some letter. Then you need to substitute. Sorry again. Yeah, they will give you the equation and will ask you to solve for some random or unknown variables. Then you need to substitute. This is the literal equation. Okay, then let's go to the radical equations. You already know this one from Integrated Math 3. Yes, so let's memorize them together. Okay, so what we need to do? First question. Cube. Okay, yes. So let's cube both sides. Why we cube both sides? So we can cancel them, right? So now let's see what's happening here. So we cube. Yes, perfect. So x is equal 24. This one? Yes, Tamis. 1. X plus 3, 1. Yeah, you can do that. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. This one here, what you need to do? Yes, first simplify. Let's add 9. Then it will be then cube. So as you can see, then you get 512. Wow. Okay. Solve this one by yourself. Yes. Yeah, it's easy questions, girls. Sure, sure, sure. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, now let's continue. Try to solve this one. This question is more challengeable. I don't know. Square a side. Okay, you have to square the second side. Okay, but if the second side has something like this, 1 plus something, So you can't just remove the square with a square root. You can't remove it. Okay? Should. You should have all the steps correct because you're smart girls. You are not the stupid one. Huh? Yes, this is in the test. What you said, Malak? This is a challenging question. Yes. Okay. Now, the last one is the polynomial. The last one is the polynomial. Maybe I don't know. Maybe did we take the rational? I don't know. Okay, okay. Let's do the polynomial. What time is it? Rational? Okay, we will still have the polynomial if we have done that. Okay. Yeah, rational. Yes. Okay. So now, as you can see here, factor and solve polynomial equation. So as you can see, this is easy one. Just complete the solving. So let me just erase it very fast. Okay. So the polynomial, it will look like this one. So first you take the common factor, which is x. Okay. Then this is a quadratic. Yeah, Malak. Okay. Then the quadratic, as you can see here. Then the second one, take the common factor. What's the common factor here? What's the common factor? 2y to the power of 3, right? Yes, 2y to the power of 3. Okay. So it's equal y2 minus 9. Okay. Then y2 minus y is this one. If you look here. So it's this one. Y plus 3 and y minus 1. Okay. Then the last one, 4z square, right? Yes, 4z square, then it will become like a normal quadratic. Okay, 4z squared. Okay, so if you take 4 from each and you take 2z from each, it will remain z squared minus 4z plus 4. So this is a perfect square, right? So the perfect square, it's z minus 2 to the power of 2. Clear? Any question? Okay, so do you remember the soap? Do you remember it? No? Yes, always positive. So same sign, opposite sign, always positive. Okay. Same thing here. When we have this is on a plus, so same sign, opposite, always positive. Okay. So like this one here. So how we can factor this? First, simplify. Take. Okay. So here is this. Yes. So this one is x, right? And this one is y, right? If we go back here, x and y, right? Okay. And to the power of 3, so just use the cube, okay, cubic root. So cubic root for 8 is 2, which is 2x to the power of 3. Cubic root for 27 is a 3, so it's 3. So now use the same sign, opposite sign, always positive. So always the first two bracket is the same thing, no change, okay, which is x and y. Then you square the first part, then you square the second part, then you multiply both two parts together. If you go back here, check. First, here, we square the first part, so we square the x. Then we square the second part, which is y. Then we multiply in the middle, this one with this one. That's what happened here. We square 2x, 4x squared. We square 3y, 9y is to the power of 2. Then 2x times 3y, 6xy. Clear? Yes. Yeah. Yes. 2 square, 4x squared. Okay. Then the second equation here, we do the same thing. Okay. So we do the same thing with what we just simplified. So first we take the common factor, which is 2x. So we have 8x and 125. Then you just simplify. That's easy one. Okay. Okay. Any question? So let's stop here.